Hi, to fix 5G networking problem on your CMF phone 1, firstly, let's check whether the phone supports 5G internet, so whether your SIM card supports 5G internet. For that, go in Settings and here find Network and Internet tab and choose SIMs. So now what you're gonna do is make sure that you enable to use this SIM card and then that you enabled mobile data. And after that, find this preferred network type and make sure that you set here 5G. If you can see 5G and you set it to 5G, but you cannot still see the 5G symbol in the upper right corner, then we can switch to 4G option, wait a few seconds, go back and choose 5G here. This will reset 5G options. Now, if it didn't help, go back. Then here find this tab which is named About Phone, and here find Nothing OS and make sure that you can see up-to-date information. So make sure that your device is updated to the latest version because usually updates include fixing old issues and adding new features. So updating your device will help you fix most of the problems. Now, the next thing we can do is to reset network settings. For that, in Settings, find the System tab and here choose Reset Options and then simply enable Reset Mobile Network Settings. Don't worry, this won't delete your data on the phone, it will just reset 5G internet and just mobile data after all. So choose this option, then draw your pattern, enter PIN code or password, and tap Reset Settings again. And now they have been reset. So this will help to solve 5G not appears problem. And if it still exists, then last thing we can do is go back in Network and Internet and choose SIMs. So if you are not home, then enable roaming, but charges may apply. This is only when you are not at your country. So if you are traveling abroad, then enable roaming by tapping on the switch route and also enable Smart 5G and 5G standalone. And after that, you should see 5G icon appears in the upper right corner. So let me disable Wi-Fi to show you this icon. And this is how it should look. So you can see 5G in the upper right corner. And yep, that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.